I guess this is Tabletop Jamaica, and today we'll be playing Ludi. That's the sad truth is that nobody is ever in the mood for Ludi. Like Ludi was like
I
when you
was in the
finish
mood
G-
earlier.
Like Ludi is a whole job. Like you have
Like-
to basically.
Ludi was when
like,
you
people
finish.
gamble.
Ludi was when you like finish GSAT and then there was nothing left to do, no curriculum left, and like they just gave you like hours of free class time, and so somebody brought Ludi and we played it, and that was it. And then we never looked back at it again until like CXC time.
And then you just there rolling dice and like, fuck, why these people can't buy a fucking Monopoly board?
Ludi was there because we were too poor for Monopoly. So we are playing Classic Ludi, which was created by Moonlit Studios. Our friend Christopher Williams made a Ludi app.
Wait, are we doing introductions?
Apparently not. What we're apparently
You
doing
didn't
is
tell
giving
me.
them more editing to do.
Wait, start over. One more time.
I'm Andre.
I'm Shaun.
I'm not Shaun or Andre.
I'm Drew. Are we supposed to be doing movie voices, by the way?
I don't care anymore. Screw it. All of the news is all coming out. We're just playing fucking Ludi, and that's it. Alright. Unfortunately, Chris's game, Classic Ludi by Moonlit Studios, doesn't allow us in online mode to pick our own colors. But we already planned out for it, as you can see, as we were like very specific color schemes, which would be very confusing if we got the wrong one. Alright. So the host is
I
going
believe
to
that
get
whoever the third person is red. So let me come in third.
Yeah. I'm going to have to come in last. Arlando, you were blue. You're going to create the room as a host.
Yes, sir. I'm coming in first. I hope you guys enjoy my sloppy seconds.
Edit sound.
I'm killing
For
you
children
first. Like
content.
any dice I roll, I'm murdering you first.
Oh, wait, how do I access the room?
Hold on, no.
We have to wait for him to make it.
So this is a fun tutorial I think we're going to make. In the meantime, anybody want to explain like in 30 seconds the rules of Ludi?
Basically, I don't know why I chose to be the one. I have the least knowledge.
No, I said
basically
basic Ludi, not Jamaican Ludi, so you're perfect for this.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
so basically you have 4 pieces per player, and your job is to roll the dice and get your pieces around the board. So you go around once, and then you go back into the center of the board, which is your home, and whoever gets all 4 pieces home wins the game.
Oh, sorry. That's
Sounds about right?
That sounds about right. In Jamaica, we have like different home rules. I want to say just like home rules where like if you build a wall, people can't pass until you get a wall back.
Ludi 5 East.
2 of your own players on the same board. People can't pass you if you have your wall built up. Oh, and if you land on the same tile as another player, you get to just straight up murk them.
If we planned this ahead, since we're all D&D people, we should have just like made our own homebrew where like we all got one special ability from our D&D characters to our pieces.
No. Screw that. Hold on. Arlando.
I rolled a doubles fireball.
It's in the chat, but the chat settings are set only so that I can chat directly with the host. So you're going to have to copy and paste it to everybody.
All right, perfect. Because this allows me to ensure that you guys join in the way that the color will align. So it's blue first. Whoever goes into the room first gets blue. The second person gets green. Drew, I sent you the meeting ID. So where you go is to online mode. Then you'll go where it says join. Please type in a display name first.
Yeah.
Tell me when you're in.
Something you don't want to hear in bed.
That really isn't something you want to hear.
I'm so glad we
Okay.
made this a boys' night because I can terrible jokes like this for like.
Oh right, I can actually make terrible jokes.
No.
Wait, I've been watching like a few of your videos. Just at work. You see, the thing is, watching like a full 1 hour campaign for D&D for me, like I don't watch Critical Role because that's 4 hours. 4 hours. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Like I rather play
put it on when I'm drawing.
You know, yeah, that's what
So
I
here's the weird thing. I tried to send this to Drew, but it says Drew Gale is not in this meeting. So who the fuck are you?
robot.
Robo Drew.
This
Yes,
is what,
yes, I killed the real Drew.
this is what we were telling flipping Chris about, but did he listen? No.
He didn't listen. This is what happens when a robot replaces you in the game.
Exactly. Wasn't there a movie that was kind of like that?
There's so many movies like that.
A good joke.
What's so satisfying about watching like things
Body
get crushed
snatchers?
under a hydraulic press?
All right, Drew. We've been over this. It doesn't allow us to pick colors. So since you're wearing green, the room code is A, U, I, O,
Hold
A,
on.
O.
Give me a second. So wait, I should join now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like whenever.
Whenever you're ready, buddy.
Can you say whenever, like, oh god. You know, I cooked today, and honestly, I think I messed up
Mhm.
because I tried to make something more interesting. Like
Yeah,
essentially, what started off as fried chicken, well, not fried chicken, but basically, seasoned chicken that I basically fried in a frying pan. I just basically tossed a whole tin of like baked beans into it to kind of like fricassee it.
What do you think fricassee is?
What do you think baked beans do?
Fricassee. It's fricassee's thing.
I don't know. I was just assuming that the baked beans were kind of like, you know, into like the flavor of the chicken.
I'm curious, what flavor baked beans you have? Because usually it's in a tomato sauce and it's very acidic. Like, why would you want that on your fried chicken?
Also, fried chicken. Did you fry the chicken? Wait, did you fry the chicken first, then put baked beans, or was the chicken cooked before baked beans were added?
Chicken was cooked.
Oh, A-U-I-O-A-O.
What are you
so
saying?
A
That's it. Oh.
A-U
So like, what is the definition
I-
of fricassee, by the
O-
way?
Fricassee is a
U.
really amazing type
A-O.
of chicken.
So A-U-I-O-A-U, right?
A-O. O is the last letter.
And I'm in.
And he's in. Sean, you got that?
I did not. Hold on.
Alpha, uniform, India,
Ostrich.
Oscar, Alpha, Oscar.
All right. There I am.
All right, I'm going in. Okay, I'm going. There we go. Everybody's here, and we're starting.
All right. I hope that auto foolishness doesn't appear.
Hope that I get better luck rolling double 3.
I hope the bad luck that was happening to Arlando in the test game does not pass over
Double
to
3
me.
twice, that makes sense.
The name of the game is Ludi.
Oh, I'm out.
Blah blah blah. 6. When you roll a 6, you get to spawn a player. Blah blah blah. If you land on another player's token, you kill it. Blah blah blah. Get everybody home.
Ludi, Ludo, sorry.
This
Sorry, not sorry.
is the same as the last time where Drew got to like spawn a bunch of people just at the very get go.
Yeah, apparently.
Ooh, that should be like the title of this video. like, what was it? Like Tabletop Jamaica plays Ludi. Hashtag not sorry.
Because Star is the American version.
Oh, okay. I get you. I am so out of touch with American versions of things that I did not know what that was in reference to.
It's alright.
Why does Sean's pieces look like the 4-star Dragon Ball?
Oh yeah, you
Because I
get
bought 4-star Dragon Balls.
here's a great advertisement for Chrissy's Ludo Classic. Hold on.
Copy. They look like
No,
the
Sean.
force.
No, Arlando, it's fine. I won't finish any sentences.
Interrupt.
So Ludo Classics by Moonlight Studio allows you to like customize your tokens. And also this background with the Jamaican flag was a customizable background.
Yeah.
What were you saying, Arlando Bloom?
I was saying, finally somebody said it. God,
Was that?
yeah.
he set that joke up. I'm almost mad I didn't try to make an Andre yellow pot. Oh, somebody dead? Oh, green over there just collecting the Dragon Balls. I get you, I see you.
Oh shit.
What fun would
I
you
mean,
have?
oh shoot.
Oh no, you can fully swear. I don't give a fuck about swearing.
Oh.
Really?
Yes.
He has very strange rules, but he's recording.
Okay.
I feel like I haven't had a turn in a while, and it feels like it's because somebody keeps just rolling doubles. Oh, yes. Get boring.
Oh, yeah, the first death happened. Who died?
Apparently, was it
I
Shaun
died.
twice?
Kill both of my things, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See, what I don't mind is that as soon as I click the things, like they don't waste time just hopping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. It just moves it to the end.
Yep, real Jamaican style.
All right, so Arlando always gets born right after I like go on his space, which is a fun time for me.
Okay, I can still. You're saying, well, you're telling the person like when it's only one piece, it should just be 5. Give you an option for just the flat row rather than separating.
Yeah, so this game is still in playtest mode, but we feel special because we got to what? Did it get access to the beta version, or is that just basically what we do?
I mean, it's already in the Play Store.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is fully in the Play Store. We never get any special treatment at all whatsoever.
I did. I played it way before at this point.
Do I run you down, or do I run from the green? No, Drew has been fully. Nope. Oh damn it! I hate that the AI happens so fast. It legitimately feels like it's boxing it out there, and I'm being like.
I feel like if I listened to the AI, I would probably get out of the birthing cage. I don't know what it's called. Faster.
Oh,
the birth.
Oh, that's not good.
It annoys me that the Dragon Ball, like all the Dragon Balls, have the same amount of stars. I don't know who I just talked to about that.
You talk to Chris.
Or Team 4-star.
Or Team 4-star. Did you see that Team 4-star? They made like a what was it? It was a video. What was it? It was Demon Slayer in 13 minutes, and it's amazing.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, geez.
Can I say, like the current state of like manga and anime, right? So it's like you look at the big 4 like Naruto, Bleach, One Piece.
Since when was there a
Wait,
big 4?
that's 4. That's
Exactly.
3.
Yeah, I don't know what the first one was, but I'm sure it was
There was no 4. It was big 3.
Wait, it was just a big 3.
I feel
They're
like
like-
There are other popular animes, but yeah. Oh wait.
Oh yeah,
Like,
the robot took you over.
You look at the
Damn it.
overall content of the big 3, right? How much years it took to finish them, and how praised they are. But you have manga that is taking less time to finish, but at the same, it's reaching the same critical acclaim. Like, look at Demon Slayer. Like, to me, it felt like it just started the other day. I know it's done, and I feel so satisfied with it.
That's because we're living a different time. You see, during the time of the
Sean,
big three,
you stepped away for 1 second and the robot rolled 2 6s. And then used one of the 6s.
You see that? See that? I told you.
Here's the thing,
Did I not
use one
tell
of the
you?
6s to move instead of spawning a second player, which is like the stupidest thing it could have done.
It is the stupidest thing it could have done.
You're saying no?
Mm. Oh wait, I was saying that the big three came out in a time where manga artists were pretty much slaves. Like they were basically like in a
2020?
box. No, as in like the big three, Naruto, Bleach, and One Piece. During that time, Shonen Jump was basically like this shop where, oh wow,
Drew, how is it that you...
I don't
think
know.
green is just the color of life in this game, and like, or Drew is like a druid or something that is just like spawning.
Mm-hmm.
Drew, I feel like if you don't win, it's your fault.
yeah, I know
don't
because
like
you see the thing is, I don't know what happened. I tried playing a particular way that I wanted to play, but it just auto-played and did this.
Oh, it broke your wall.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Thank God I was getting over there and I wasn't in the mood for that shit right now. Ah, he's right on my tail. Don't play for me.
Maybe.
Arlando. Yes. This is
Oh yeah, so we're playing with safe spaces on, so when you spawn and I'm there, you don't just automatically kill me, which I think is a sucky rule that we should have taken off.
That is true. I don't, like when you're on somebody else's home, then yeah, it shouldn't apply.
Yeah. Like you can't shoot someone in their house. Who made that rule?
You can shoot somebody in your house, Chris.
In your own damn house. Who made that rule?
We look at Chris, the person who made the game, like, you can't shoot somebody in your own house. What's up with that? Oh, more walls.
don't auto.
You see, Drew is out here doing what Trump wishes he could do, and just building walls non-stop.
Where is my?
Oh shit!
Where are my green?
Why is Sean so easy to kill in this game? I feel like karma is right behind me, so I should.
I don't know. If y'all cheating.
I picking on a guy with
Like, I also want to run from Arlando, but like, oh no, oh no, oh no, no.
You are so lucky.
Why?
Because I can't move the other guy first place.
Wait, hold on. You're able to move past my thing?
How did that happen?
Yeah,
Yeah, seriously.
I think that was
Instant
like
transmission.
That had to be a glitch.
You killed that Dragon Ball, so you got that Dragon Ball power. Instant transmission. I'm still confused how you passed that wall. I don't know what.
Yeah, that don't make any sense.
Is. I'm also just low key mad because now I only have one piece out.
One Piece.
Ha! One Piece.
If I get to kill Sean for laughing at that, I'll die happy.
Just bleach it from your brain.
You're such a bore root. Oh god, that was the worst one. What's the worst?
That was also a horrible insult.
What else would Boruto be other than a horrible insult? It's like an attack on a titan.
Oh shit! I could have moved the entire floor. Oh well.
Yay. I did that.
Hold on. Where'd the rest of Drew's piece? Oh, okay. Building a wall. Right. Trumping it back there.
Drew crushed Orlando Bloom.
So Drew has somebody like going home, like fully going home. Yeah, Drew, take that 6. You're the one who needs it most. Out of all of us.
Ah! I hate.
Yeah, winning is so frustrating.
No, as in the damn game, this is like if I take too long, it's like autoplay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
also you're off screen.
What? Oh, sorry.
Drew, what is with all these sixes, my guy?
I have no clue.
That's why nobody else can roll a fucking six, because you're rolling all of them.
He's taking all the sixes from the freaking dice. The algorithm was all fucked. Drew, did you fuck the algorithm?
So what was it about the algorithm that made you want to fuck it? Was it that it was trying since they're making presidential jokes? Technically, he wasn't a president, but he was a candidate. So Al Gore people ran against Bush.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
What?
I can't come up with any presidential jokes.
Whew. Okay, I wanted to like continue for whatever the hell you were saying, Sean, but he was like 2 steps behind me and he rolled a 2. So like my light was just busy flashing behind, like before my eyes. See, I want to go home. Okay, I'm going to just spawn something. And just risk it. Oh God, please. All right, I get to roll again. All right, another 6. Should I risk it again? Oh God. All right, let me just fuck it. Why not? But it's so close to being home. It's almost stupid to just be like inching bit by bit. Oh God. All right, no, I can't risk. I keep rolling a 6 and a 1, and I don't know who to talk to about this.
That's
you
a
killed
pretty
me.
good roll to be consistent.
Wait, no, I didn't. Nobody has killed you, Drew.
Why are my 2 things dead?
How are they dead?
None of your things are dead.
I'm looking at my screen and it's dead.
I'm looking at all your screen and all your pieces are on the board.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm actually looking at why? What? What?
I have another presidential one.
Nope. Okay, go ahead. Fuck it.
I love how Sean is I love how Andre is just sitting
All right. You see, the thing is,
just biding his time.
like, my thing is,
Biding.
I don't know.
I'll hear that one.
There is a serious glitch in this game because both of my things, I'm playing a completely different game because both of my things are dead.
Huh.
Nope, they're all there.
Yeah, that's what you guys see on your screen, but on my screen, 2 of my tokens are dead, and one of them just got born. So
And
it's a
you're
completely different
green.
game. Yeah, I'm green.
Oh no, are we playing Robo Drew again?
Oh,
I think
God,
so.
Robo Drew is the worst. But this time, Robo Drew has like convinced us that he's regular Drew. It hasn't even changed the icon to a robot.
Wait, did the icon ever change to a robot?
Oh,
Yeah,
It's
like
okay.
when it replaces you, it should.
I stomped out one of Robo Drew's pieces,
Don't worry, Drew. We'll avenge you.
taking out this cybernetic version of you.
If it's the last thing we do.
finally. Oh, nice.
Finally, something happened. Oh, damn it, copyright. Stop that.
So can we agree to not kill each other and just go after Robo Drew?
Okay.
Like, that's the new goal of the game. To murder the robot who has taken our friend's place.
Yes.
Like I'm rolling.
Andre is the only other person that has one person home. I feel like he's trying to lure us into a false sense of allyship. Only to screw so bad win the game.
New
Like,
plan.
Alright.
Like
Kill the
legit,
guy.
I am legit playing right now, and it's a completely different game I'm playing.
I don't even know how that could happen.
Like it's a completely different game I'm playing from what you guys are playing right now.
And it's giving you your turns on your time?
Yes.
Alright. Which color is Arlando? Blue. Okay.
Like I think I'm playing against Robo Shaun, Robo Arlando, and Robo Dre.
It's like a Goosebumps episode. Legitimately.
I cannot remember that show, honestly.
It was the books that I knew.
Oh.
I said that so
Like, people-
I said that so in such a braggart. It's the books.
Someone asked me recently if I read the Animorph books. I'm just like, no, but I
Oh,
saw them in
shit.
the pharmacy.
I read
Sean,
one.
Drew just he went for me instead of you.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, you can afford to give up a life. I can.
I'll take that in stride. You're right. I had to. Now we're in the same boat. And Robot Drew is going home. Whoever killed him, good job. Go on, Sean. I do like the prompts for this game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm just loving the fact that I'm playing against like a completely different version of you guys.
It's
This
alright.
is a completely different game.
I'd love to see what your screen shows you. Is there a way we can band together? I like how it's the three of us here, just like forming a line, a barricade. No, Arlando, you're really killing real people?
Wait, there are fake people here?
Yes, Robot Drew. Oh, fuck it. All right, son. I will not kill your pieces. There's a truce between you and I and the robots.
It's
Okay.
like
Sorry, Orlando. We can't abide by robot sympathizers.
He has formed a barricade. This is
Alright, like you see the
Oh,
thing
shit.
is the same thing.
God damn you,
y'all are
Orlando. Orlando really turned against us.
Yeah, he joined the side of the robots. Okay. Alright, Elon Musk, you've drawn your line in the sand.
I'm sorry, guys. It's just, green is like one part of the primary color that makes me who I am. And I can't turn like a puppet.
Actually, you make green a part of what it is. And I should know because I'm the other part of green. And you're being a terrible parent right now.
Listen, one of us has to be the bad guy, one of us has to be the good
We
guy.
agreed on shared custody.
And Reggie's just a stranger that's getting caught in the middle
Oh,
of
and the robot is killing him. That's beautiful.
it. Good.
Poetic justice. Go on, Sean.
Like, accept me. I'm on your side. It's like, excuse
You know,
me.
in the alternate universe that I'm in right now, I actually just killed Arlando too.
Good.
Wow.
Wait. Have the universes been aligning?
Apparently.
I don't even have anything I can play until I roll a 6.
I think Drew is in the ultimate universe right now.
Oh my god, Arlando, I'm so mad at you. I think I might be more mad at you than Robot Drew because at least Robot Drew didn't have the capacity for feelings, we assume.
Yeah?
Like he couldn't possibly comprehend the consequences of his actions, but I, on the other hand,
You know damn well what you did.
and you tell me.
We formed a barricade and an alliance, and you broke both. Oh god, as soon as I roll a 6. Wait, I thought it was supposed to show me what you rolled. Does it? Oh, right, it does. Look at him just fraternizing over there with the green ones.
Wait, I don't think can you kill him while he's on that spot, by the way?
You would know, you've formed an alliance with him.
Yes.
Your turn, Sean. Sean, I grant you safe passage. This is... Oh my god, I just need a 6. But Drew ate them all. Okay, killing a Drew.
Oh, you killed one of me?
Yeah,
Okay.
one of the Drew droids.
Oh, in that world, okay. Huh. Okay.
Yeah, now that about it, that actually does make it a bit thing there. I mean, I suppose I could have moved the smaller number first and the larger number after. Oh wow!
Oh yes, that's them kill each other. This is like when you saw Vegeta and Android, and the androids like fight each other and like beat the shit out of each other, and like it was cathartic in both sense because both of them like kind of deserved it. Yes, Sean, spawn all your like go. Yes. At this point, I'm wishing on the Dragon Ball Fast 6.
Well, I think that
Oh, it works.
I hope so.
It worked.
Nice.
It's like Ludi's peaceful until the first kill happens, and then afterwards, everybody
Just straight murder.
just
And
straight.
when somebody gets sent to the Shadow Realm, apparently.
So here's the issue, Sean.
Yeah.
I'm legitimately serious. There's no the robot took over, Sean. Sean, the robot took over, I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. There are 7 spaces I can move. Wait. It fully just skipped my turn.
Good.
Oh, shit.
You see your turn?
It's doing that thing where I won't be able to play anymore. But
As
Sean,
long as you don't kill me.
yeah, it was worth it to maintain the truth. Will it allow me to play at the next turn? This game still
We'll
does have
find
its-
out.
Oh gosh, the robot is right here.
Yeah, I'm actually doing very well in my alternate universe.
You're doing well here too. Let's
Mhm.
let's not be like mistaken. All right, Sean, safe passage, good stuff.
Thank you.
I was serious. I kept my word like a human would.
Not sure
Uh,
we're throwing word for. I mean, like, remember who's blocked it? You know, this happened.
Like I like how the military style we've like organized around Arlando. Did he kill you again?
He did.
Oh,
Man, robot, you
That's
can
not
break
fair.
the rules.
He killed
the
both of them,
organi-
actually. He killed both of them.
And then they're organizing. Time
Man.
for Sean. Sean, get yes.
Welcome
kills my
back to
thing.
work, young Sean. Movie 4.
I'm not having this.
Yes.
Oh,
Damn it.
So close. Get another one out there.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Now move that other one up. Just okay. I wouldn't have done that one because
It's okay. God,
yeah,
God damn it. Are you
yeah.
serious?
That's why I was not that necessarily
literally-
done that one. But
Literally
what?
skipped them.
oh well, I also wouldn't have done okay because you could have used the 2 to kill that thing. But hey, you know what? We're here now.
We are here now.
I mean,
The chances of it getting a 1 is almost nothing. So
it isn't almost nothing. It's 1 in 6. But hey, you know what? You're a great strategic partner. You're the only strategic partner I have right now. So I won't complain. We need
He's
to
the
get
best
that-
strategic partner.
Just
1 in 6 is
The
almost
best-
nothing. Who just
Arlando
died?
been going
Oh.
home on our watch. We've been allowing this to happen. Also, the robot has.
Are you fucking serious?
I don't know what is up with Blue. It's like the flipping birth control.
Huh? The robot just spared your life. It has more humanity than some of us. First rule of robotics is actually following. Unlike Kane over here,
hmm
killing his brother.
Okay.
Just think about all of this wonderful content that we're getting that you wouldn't.
I'm going to murder you so bad. I won't be content until I do.
Oh boy. Same position as last time. I mean, like, Sean is much closer, but. Where's the next? Andrew? Oh, you still have 2 people in the house?
One
Okay.
person, yeah, like that's not my house. I was just staying there overnight. I still need to get home.
Mm.
I'm doing the walk of shame right now.
What the flip is up with me? You're not rolling a flipping 6. I don't understand.
That's the bad juju we've been wishing on you.
Yep.
Like honestly.
That's karma.
A hoodoo the voodoo.
I'm very concerned that the robot is right behind Sean.
Like, I really wish that y'all could actually see where I'm saying now.
I would allow you to share screen to the netherworld, but it would be very confusing. Wait, hold on. You're on 2 different devices, right?
Yeah.
So then can't you just like turn your phone to the laptop screen?
Oh, okay. Y'all see this?
Kind of.
Looks like a Ludi board to me.
Look, that do be Ludi.
But y'all see my pieces, right?
Nope.
I see one piece at home, two pieces in the front.
Yeah,
door.
that's completely different. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm playing a completely different game.
It's
I
not
think
cool.
I think it's
I think we
great.
should report
There are
that to
certain
Chris.
similarities, but
Yeah. No, we should like tell Chris about this. But like, at
right
some
now,
point,
I'm gonna
at
kill
some
somebody.
point, the universes of our games split into two, and we were just like,
Like we literally sent one of our friends to the Shadow Realm. Was that supposed to be?
Like I learned how to do instant transmission to get past.
Yeah, past a while. Like we transcended both time and space. Was that part of like the regular Ludi experience?
Oh wow.
was that a Jamaican rule?
All right, Shaun, it's forcing me to try to kill it. Oh no, I don't have to. I don't have to.
Hmm.
Get
6.
it over there.
So shit. How much turns has this made it?
Not enough. I think like you're in jail at this point. Or you
Most-
like,
Mhm.
It don't make any sense otherwise.
yeah, for your crimes against humanity.
Mhm.
I swear.
You're
Yeah.
all the bad guys in Overwatch.
Wow.
Shaun? Oh, you don't kill me. Okay, you spawn on your.
No, you're in a safe zone.
Okay. This is where we call a truce. This is like where the peace talks happen. The peace talks is just us like in hats, just bad mouthing Arlando and Robot Drew.
Yep. Hmm.
The alliance of hats.
The alliance of hats.
Like it could be a thing.
It's not allowing me to roll. Okay, so if I go 3 instead of the 1 first, I get to pass you without killing you. Look at, I'm saying this out loud so you know that I'm not killing you on purpose. So you can respect our peace talks and the treaties we signed.
Rex!
I don't know. I don't know if also the Red Kingdom accepts friendly fire.
Look at Arlando over there just letting the robot live.
Uh,
No, but I didn't have a choice.
I'm sure. You always have a choice. Snake Eyes.
hey guys.
Oh shoot, he's really close to getting home.
Oh no, you don't.
There's been an upset.
Hey, Sean's finally up getting home. That's nice.
Yeah, I love
Mhm.
that for him. Alright, 5. I don't have to kill you. And I get to go home.
Coming home.
Like, I forgot about how much of Ludi was like forming alliances. And just unspoken agreements of not murder as we pass you through your property.
It's kind of like Rento.
It's kind of like Rento, except somehow,
That's
even
it.
though there's actual murder, it's somehow chiller.
I'm gonna tell you, the stories that you can make up for Monopoly are fantastic. I remember one time I made almost everybody in the game like pass out from laughter because I was pretending to be like I was this rich tycoon reduced to this lowly prostitute as a child. It's like
Just on
wow.
Boardwalk Corner trying to get up by.
just trying to get something. It's like you're taking the food up my daughter's mouth, man. What's wrong with you?
So, it's time for Drew, but Drew, it's not playing.
I'm
for
actually trying to play, but it's not doing anything. It's just
Drew. Which is weird because in the alternate universe, it's also paused you.
yeah.
Hmm.
Huh.
So yeah, it's doing this. Like it's just
Oh,
stuck.
Bobby, there we go. Here we go. That's that screen. Huh.
Yep. Nothing we can do about that. Good game, guys.
Wait.
Hold on.
Oh
Somebody-
no, I won.
The shit is just moved
No.
here. Huh.
Wait, go on.
Just place all my units in home.
Well,
Okay.
it's rolling for you now. Yeah. So, I guess that's Ludi.
I guess that's
Drew
Ludi.
won
I
from
think
an
he's-
alternate dimension, which I don't see in the rule books, but hey, Jamaica always make up their own rules. Like Drew's Duppy Robot Duppy won the game, I guess.
Someone can slip some Obia into this game, but actually, that would be an amazing Jamaican version of Jumanji, just involving Ludi and Obia.
Okay,
Oh
Sean,
wait, hold on, it's your move, Sean.
Is it my move?
It says
I thought we were stuck.
the robot just stole a couple moves and then gave it back to you.
Like
Wow.
legit, I have no pieces
Drew, look
left.
back on your game and see if it has restarted.
Hasn't restarted. It's just frozen. Like all my pieces are home, and you're
Wow.
letting you guys play.
Well, we can watch us play your alternate self, your ultimate version.
Okay.
Drew is the final boss that we have to defeat.
Mhm.
Like, I already. This is ridiculous.
Oh shit! So I think the robot. This was the plan all along. Oh, okay. It's allowing me to continue. Okay.
Oh, me and my what do you call it? My abstinence and not having any more children. How gleeful.
Mhm. You
Wait,
thought two was
Sean
enough.
got all his stuff spawned?
Yeah,
Huh.
all my stuff has been spawned several times.
The economy isn't very stable right now. That's why.
Glances over the our peace treaty.
Mhm.
They look awful fertile over there.
You know,
I
was-
swear, I know it's not, but every time I see like the wall W, I'm just like, is that the Wonder Woman W? Like, I don't think so, but
What
every time it's so
it makes me think of Wonderwall.
So it says it's time for Drew, which I think is peak for the robot apocalypse upon us, and it might be the end of the game because it isn't allowing us to go further. It's time for
Nope.
Drew. Wait,
Oh wait, it's roll. It just
Oh no,
rolled.
it autoplay.
It rolled.
Play it for me.
Yeah, Drew, don't touch anything. Just let it autoplay.
this feels like when your older brother has the controller.
Mhm.
You know those vibes when you give your younger brother the controller and it's not plugged in. It's like, oh my god, you're so good.
So hopefully this wall blocks off Robo Drew. He does an instant transmission.
No wall can block
Drew.
Robot Drew.
Oh, that's right. Robot you.
And here's the sucky part: that if we, just like Jumanji, if we want to finish this game, we'll have to let Robot Drew go home.
Oh jeez.
They should make a Jumanji board game.
And there's
I'm
no
almost
way they haven't.
positive they do.
There's no way they haven't. Like just,
I'm almost positive.
just
Wouldn't
how
the board game
corporate
have
works.
existed before the movie?
I think the board game was created for the movie.
You ever just forget you're yellow? All right. Am I still angry at Arlando, and would I still kill him just because he spawned?
I mean, like, how close I can be? The closest person that I can see here is at Sean's home.
Nigga, I'm in your house. Sorry.
yeah,
I'm just like at your room door with a knife. Just like
Call is coming from inside the house.
we out here.
Alright, come on, Robo Drew.
Oh, shoot, they finally Did you see that? For a second, it turned into a robot and revealed its true face. Like the icon changed into a robot, and then it turned back into a human. Like,
Oh shit, yes, I see.
Oh my god, it does.
you're not fooling
You
me.
ain't going anywhere, robot.
Whatever happened to Robot Joe?
I really hope. I wish you could go past your house, Sean, to just like kill Arlando as well as Robot Joe. Oh, it's my turn.
I'll leave that to you.
I'm way too far away for murder.
But you're just the right distance for me to murder you. Just need to pass my house.
No,
Come on, little boy, I have candy. Just one step down. Yes, perfect. I mean, like, rolling a 6 are still pretty low, so.
It's not. It's 1 in 6. Don't try to get me comfortable while I'm near your property.
I'm trying to butter.
With your blue psychological calming effect.
Like,
that low you
Blocked.
mental security.
It's time for Shaun. Where is Shaun?
I'm right here. I'm just blocking the robots and the robot sympathizers.
See, on one hand, I want to get home, but on the other hand, revenge is over here. You get me? You feel me?
Got murder on your mind?
I don't got murder on my mind.
You know what? I'm just how quickly this game would have been done if we had banded together and formed like this united alliance against the robot. Wait,
It would have been over pretty fast.
that wasn't Arlando, are you playing?
I am.
Yeah.
You could have spawned both of your things, but you chose violence. You understand that, right? Your character woke up with the option to have a sibling and instead chose violence.
It's like, do you want a baby brother? No, I want a knife.
Alright, so here's my issue.
Ooh.
Alright, good stuff. You're right behind me. And I'm just going to need to remind you, who's boss? Oh, this is delicious. This is absolutely delicious.
Nice.
Oh my god. And I'm just going to go a little closer to your house. Just chill. Go inside your fridge, take out your Tropicana and sip it and wonder why the hell it's blue. And pour it in your toilet.
Why do I keep on getting the block stamp? Does it?
Because you've been blocked.
You've been
Done.
sliding in them DMs like with robot sympathizer messages. Shaun, I'm going to need you to let me through real quick because he's right behind me and it's very scary.
Can you murder the robot in front of you first?
On it. Sure. Done and done. This is a great alliance, I have to say.
Here's a great alliance.
Big pass. I wonder if it will just allow. Oh nope! Shit! I'm in the worst place. It's not where I want it to be. Okay. All right.
Hey now.
Sir, Shaun. I'm gonna need you to let me out quick. Something behind me? Yeah. I killed that robot for you. Let me pass.
No, the perfect time for a double cross.
It would. You would know, wouldn't you, traitor?
Would have gone all Macbeth on you. Terrorist foul and foul despair.
But full Mufasa, so you see me climbing up the wall, and then all of a sudden you just see Shaun's hand, just like long live the king and clap my hand.
I was just about to say that. Long live the king.
This is why you're not getting home. Wait, where's my other piece? Oh god, none of my pieces are in a good place. Oh, this one is actually in a good place. All right. Let's do this.
He's in a good place.
Oh, downside, there's nothing I can do to stop you. Shaun is all yours. Robot Drew is actually encroaching pretty fast.
Chill.
Yep.
Ooh! Bad with the robot, that's what you get.
What are you doing, me, son?
Robots have no conscience. But this robot's coming for me now, so.
I wish I could help. I'm just in my house looking out and winding up the window as a robot, like Terminator style, just runs you down. Alright. Oh, come on, just okay. Let's just get
I'm
one.
glad I didn't pass you because you would have literally killed me.
Nah, I had one to get home. I'm leaving moves so I don't have to like murk you. We've come too far at this point.
I feel like this is going to be an instant mirror.
Oh no. Oh, I felt him pass me. I know his coordinates, his location. Blue heading south, north, northeast, northwest.
Ooh.
Oh, this does not look good. Oh, this looks terrible actually.
Oh wow. Ooh.
Oh shit. You know what
All of them.
You know what we have to do. Oh no. He's going to hold us for the robot to finish us off. Shaun, we can't let this happen.
After the robot killed him, really?
You've not seen him play. He doesn't play with strategy, he plays with spite.
Wow.
Alright, we need to like gather all the dragon's balls together and just make a second wall.
Okay.
Oh my god. Alright, I have one play and it's just to get this last one home. All the troops home. I don't know. Time for. Oh, okay, good. That was a good move, forcing him to open up shop.
Yep.
While the
Open up
robot.
them borders.
Closing time.
What's the strategy for the robot that's behind us and about to win? Any big game
You really
plan?
you're gonna make Robot Me win? Because
Oh yes.
Looks like he's about to win.
Arlando, this is your last time to rejoin the humanity, the treaty, the concordance of hats. Look at me not murdering my compatriot. You see that? Look at that. Me just a full sport and just like.
Oh, how no?
That's what teamwork looks like, Arlando.
I didn't know what teamwork was like as a kid. I didn't have dreams to work.
Wow.
Well, we're going to send you to sleep and give you some good dreams to work with. This robot, there's no way we'll outspeed this robot. It would be very selfish of me to ask you to wall this robot off while I win. What just happened? Arlando!
What's the...
Yo,
I just got kicked from the room.
what happened?
I got kicked from the
No, I'm
room.
still playing.
I'm still playing too. Oh no, Andre's. Oh no, Andre's a robot.
Oh god, this is how the robots win. Somebody else share screen.
Oh god, Robo Drew's behind me.
Oh,
god,
no,
I
I can't even
survived.
see.
I barely survived.
He heard
Wait.
your pants hurting.
Is Arlando still in there?
Who? Does anybody have it on the screen, same device as Zoom and can share screen?
I don't. I'm on my phone.
As well, so.
Okay, so it's going to happen like fully off screen where the
So like Robo Andre is like literally in the red zone. Robo Drew literally just needs like a 2 to get himself home.
Oh my. After I never get to see the finish.
See, I'm surrounded by enemies right now because I can't trust Arlando.
I've turned. I've gone to the robot side. That's no longer me out there.
Copyright.
Wow. Also, Zoom has like fully frozen, so like I've joined Drew in the dead zone, but in a dead
Oh,
zone.
geez.
Wow.
Okay.
So Robo Drew is gonna win. Is what you're saying?
Y'all gonna have to tell me. I'm just here staring at
Okay.
non-moving pictures on the screen. Oh,
So-
Drew's moving. Hey, Drew. How's the dark zone? Do you have chips?
Closing time.
The Robot Drew's last one, isn't it?
It was my last one as well. I think.
Oh God, the robot virus almost tried to tick me over on autoplay, but I fucked off.
This is like a fusion of the robot and zombie apocalypse. And it's always a backstabbing little bitch, Arlando, and it's good to know that we have all our tropes covered.
Oh god.
Shaun, you're somehow humanity's last hope.
Somehow.
I just love how it is near impossible for me to get up for thing 6.
I can't say anything.
Says the guy who triple sticks and birthed like 3 of his things in one turn.
I'm just going to, in the meantime, check out the store.
Oh yeah, I was saying that I thought Tabletop Jamaica was just like one of the larger things that.
Alright, I won. Humanity won.
Woo!
Really? You beat him?
Said,
Yes.
said my
Awesome.
And if you guys can see it, I don't know what you can see.
I can't see anything.
Oh wait, hold on.
Can
let
you
me
see
go
my
to-
screen?
Wait.
Hold on. Wait. If you're showing your
Yeah.
screen,
Oh
you
yeah,
can-
I can see your screen. Yeah.
Hold on.
There
hold
you
on.
go.
I stopped. Wait. Go again. Yes.
Oh, it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Oh well.
Oh my god.
I came from behind.
And-
Humanity's last hope.
Orlando, I said it sincerely.
Ah,
I'm just
nice.
glad that we murdered you multiple times
Mhm.
after that betrayal. Drew, I'm sorry that you got kicked so early.
It's fine. In a way, I
He
kind of
played a whole game to himself.
Yeah, I was legit playing a whole entire game
and then
in a completely different game.
I think my internet just went down so hard that it just yeeted me off the server completely.
Yep.
All
Or it
right.
could be like Chris just be being like a angry god doing all this stuff while we're playing.
Yeah, so check out Classic Ludi, which I'm sure by this time has sorted out all their bugs and quelled the robot uprising.
Really?
I don't know when I'm going to finish edit this. By the time I finish edit this, like all the robots have already taken over.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Basically.